Okay, you see those flickering flashy lights? So we're kind of in the downstairs part of the Venetian casino. So we're in the Cotai Strip, in one of the casinos, and what we're gonna do is go out the door and we're gonna go over towards, over a bridge and go towards the Taipa village area. And we're just gonna highlight as we go. So okay, so this is our starting spot. Hey, check it out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Okay, so we're starting inside the Venetian, and we're just going to go through all the crowds and just kind of show you exactly what's outside. Then we're going to go over a bridge, and you're going to get some pretty good views of the Cotai Strip, and you'll also see how it separates between the two as well. And so anyways, that's kind of a cool image right there. That's the Londoner Big Ben, Cotai Strip. Okay, so what we're gonna do is just walk on out. So we're in the lobby now with all the flickering lights. And then as soon as we get out, you're gonna see buses everywhere. So we're gonna walk kind of through that as well. There used to be this little thing right here. Let's come over here. This little Venetian thing. That was there for a long time, and then now it's been closed for it was closed like maybe 3 years ago throughout COVID. And these are all the buses that go to Sands, Macau. That's on the Macau side. Macau Ferry Terminal on the Macau side. And then these ones all go to, well, we're gonna walk by them and you can see over there is the Galaxy on the other side there. So those ones go to Macau Ferry Terminal, Border Gate, Hengqin. So we have all these free shuttle buses everywhere in this space. Everybody in here is in line to the free shuttle bus as well. And there's also a taxi stand. We're gonna walk by the taxi stand as well. And yeah, usually before COVID, this would be completely full. And then I think that for 3 years, there was pretty much nobody, ever. almost never. But now they're back to being quite full again. A lot of people will sit up on the steps. I think they kind of get tired out before they stand in this long line for the bus, or they think that the lines are going to go down a little bit, but they usually don't. Okay, so we're going to be walking by all the taxi stand and the bus stand, which is right here, the taxi stand. And then you can see the distance is the Galaxy Casino. But we're going to be walking on the other side of these bushes here. And the other side is, there's going to be, you're going to see a bridge. I'll point it out in a moment. And here's the taxi stand. This taxi stand is pretty notorious for ripping people off. If you're local, I don't think, I've never, usually you wouldn't get in this taxis here if you're, I tried once and it was so exorbitantly expensive, so that I just went across the street and it was just normal price. But here, because they know that they're dealing with tourists, I've heard some pretty outrageous quotes. But anyways, that's a taxi line right there, and that's kind of the not so pretty side of Venetian. Over there is Galaxy. So Galaxy Casino is quite large as well. So that's the Galaxy Arena all the way down there. And that big one, that big hotel straight ahead is Raffles Hotel. So, okay, we're gonna be going around that corner. Before we do, there's some Venetian buses. Those will kind of waiting for the moment, and then they're gonna go pick up some passengers. So what we're gonna do is come around on this side here, and then we're going to go up and over the bridge, which I'll show you in a second. Right there, so there's a bridge right there. Another Venetian bus. Yeah, I really feel like I'm in the tourist area here, because I am. This is like tourist hotspot. So we are going to go up and over, then we're going to get some good views from up there. Oh, looks like our escalator's not working. So yeah, that over there goes to Taipa village and Taipa Centro. Centro is like Taipa downtown. That's basically all the high rises. Everybody lives over there. That's where we live and work. Unless we work here in the casinos. So we're gonna come on through. And that's the Galaxy Casino right there. We're just gonna try to and you can see all the construction over there as well now. Ton of construction. We're gonna get some different views, but I think the first one we're gonna get is this view over here. There's a lot going on right here. There's a big hill right there. There's hiking trails up there, and there's beautiful views of the city. This is the traffic coming in towards from the airport. Over there is all the Venetian. Goes all the way down. You can see City of Dreams. And green all the way down that way is Must University. Also the international school is down that way as well. A lot of construction, a lot of traffic, sorry. And we're gonna take a look at this side over here as well. So a lot of that traffic is moving, but they also have the light transit line as well over there. Okay. So we're gonna keep on walking down, show you some more views. We're at about 5.5 minutes, so I think what we're gonna do is we're going to kind of highlight some of the views here first, and then later we're going to probably keep on walking down, but now I can see a little bit better view of Galaxy. So much construction. Here comes a train line right there, one of the light rail transits. I think they call it MLRT, Macau Light Rail Transit. It was amazing. First time I saw one of those trains come down, because that had been under construction for a long time. That circular building used to be Hard Rock Cafe, and now I think it's called Countdown, I think. And there's also a park right here, which was under construction for almost 10 years. They finally have the park looks up and running now. And then there's a nice ecological garden in here as well. Okay. So we're just gonna go all the way down. Let's see. We're gonna go down that way in a second. Let me just try to give a nice 360 before we go. So yeah, up there is hiking trails, and that's an incline right there. That right there is, I think it's called Grand Thai. It's basically a residential apartment building. And then over there, yeah, Must University, City of Dreams, Casino, Countdown, all that's Venetian right there. And we're gonna head on down that way. And then this way actually goes to Taipa Village. So we're going to go down this. It's like a, what do you call that? Walking escalator. And I probably won't keep the camera on the whole time for that, but I'll just kind of show you that it's here. So okay, so we're gonna we could jump on this one, but I think what we're gonna do is go down one small stretch, and then we're gonna view that a little bit as well. And if we go all the way down to the end, we're gonna get into Taipa Village. So that'll be the lights are just coming on here too. Kind of debating if I should keep the camera on the whole time and just go all the way down, but right there is some kind of China something or another. Let me just kind of come out real quick. So over there is the ecological park. It's Venetian all the way down. And we'll just kind of give you some context. So this goes all the way down to there. So what I'm going to do is kind of want to take the camera off for a little bit. So I will. So that right there is called Rua de Baía de Nossa Senhora de Esperança. So it's like the Lady of Waiting, Esperanza's waiting. So that's so this street right here is called the Lady of Waiting, basically. And we're almost at the end of it, and you can start seeing some buildings up here as well. I just wanted to capture that street real quick. And then we're also right by this park. So this park has a lot of art installations, and they also do a lot of music performance as well. The lights are just coming on as well. So nice area, nice space. Okay, so that was the outdoor elevator that we just came down. This is the street that we're on, Rua de Baía de Nossa Senhora de Esperança. And let me just highlight on that street real quick. So that's our focus right there. And that was where we just came down. So we just started at Venetian all the way down. And now we're kind of in this other area. We have Taipa houses, we have Cunhagai, temple, Carmo, and a church. So the church is up on this hill right over here. So if you go up a little bit, you can go up to that spot. And then on this other side over here is where Carmo is, that blue one right there. And then Cunhagai is up over the hill. So what we're gonna do is just walk around the corner a little bit here. And that was the street that we were just on right there, Venetian, all the way down that way. So let's come this way like this. And that was our little focus right there. And we're just gonna go down to Carmo. And then we're gonna end it in a minute, but just to kind of give you some context to everything. See how this street says Travessa de Carmo. And then you can see how close we are. So so that was Venetian. About maybe 12 minutes to get all the way. Now we have this little Carmo right here. And then Taipa village, you can start seeing all these tall apartments in the background. So lots of tourists everywhere in this area. And I think what we're gonna do is I'm going to go like this. And that way you can see kind of where we're at. And I think I can highlight the street down that way so you can kind of, so I'm going to probably create some different streets over here, but at least this way you can see kind of how it all comes out. So now we're kind of in this whole other area, right? So now you can see some rooftops, and that's all Taipa village right there, and that's all Taipa Central. All those tall buildings everywhere. And I got coffee shops already as well, and then Carmo as well, right? So a pretty cool little space here everywhere. Plus you can see how beautiful this is right here as well. So yeah, really nice area. And so yeah, what we're gonna do is probably do some separate videos where we go down in here, a nice rooftop as well. And we're gonna go down to that one in some separate videos. So, okay. Taipa village, Taipa Centro. Hey, check it out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.